Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y21S, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Vivo. First of all, you need to tap on Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access lock screen and wallpapers. After that, click on Theme section and click on the best one for you that you wish to apply. In my case, this one. Lastly, tap on Apply at the bottom. Wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to the default one, access exactly the same settings, then lock screen and wallpaper, and theme section. Lastly, select default and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!